Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to reverse the mp3 file in Audacity software. So let's get started. First thing, I am going to import the audio file from my desktop. Just drag this into the Audacity software. That will import your mp3 files. Then click on Mechonize. Now your audio file is imported into your Audacity software. Then I am going to reverse this mp3 file. For that I need to select this audio file. Click here, that will select your mp3 file. Before that I am going to import the same file into this Audacity software. I am just dragging this into this Audacity software again. That will create multi-track, that is 2 tracks of the same file. Then I am going to mute this second audio, then select this one, then go to effects tab, click on reverse. Now your reverse effect is applying. After your reverse effect is applied, go to play button. Now you can hear that the audio file is reversed. Now I am going to unmute this, then I am going to play this, then mute this first audio file. So you can hear that the audio file is reversed. You can do it for any audio files. To reverse the audio file, you just need to go to effect tab, then click on reverse. That will reverse your audio file. Thank you guys for watching.